Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be learning how to turn decimals into inches. So what that means is we want to take some measurement that's in decimal form and turn it into a fractional value. Typically, we're talking about a half, a quarter, an eighth, or a 16th for our fraction denominators. So let's get started. With part A, we have 0.25. The first step is going to be to turn this decimal into a fraction. If you're not quite sure how to do that, you can check out one of our previous videos, but we'll get started. In this case, we have 0.25, and we can convert it into a fraction by rewriting it as 25 over 100. Now we simplify. Both 25 and 100 share a common factor of 25. So when simplified, that gives us 1 over 4. And you will notice that 1/4 matches the denominator that we want, so our final answer is 1/4 or 1/4 inch. For part B, we have 375 thousandths or 0.375. To convert this one into a fraction, we will rewrite it as 375 over 1,000, and we start to simplify. A good place to start here is by taking 25 out of the top and bottom. That leaves us with 15 over 40. You may notice this can further be simplified by dividing the top and bottom by 5. So we will simplify by 5 over 5, giving us 3 over 8. You may notice that the denominator of 8 is a common fractional answer, so we have our final answer of 3/8 of an inch. For part C, there's a couple ways to do it. I recommend we take the whole number, which is 1, and we set that aside, and then we focus on the decimal, which is going to be 0.3125. Step 1 is to turn it into a fraction, so we will rewrite it as 3125 over 10,000 and simplify. Another good starting point for this one is dividing by 25. 25 over 25 will give us 125 over 400. Again, we can simplify by dividing 25 over 25. So let's write that out. And when simplified, that will give us 5 over 16. And again, 16 in the denominator is one of our fractional inches. So 5 over 16 inches is the fractional part of this problem. So now we just have to put together the whole number and the fraction to get our final answer of 1 and 5 over 16 inches as our final answer. At this point, you should have all the tools you need to solve part D. Go ahead and pause this video and give it a shot. For the solution, we will set the whole number of 3 to the side and then focus on 0.625. The first step is to write it in fractional form, 625 over 1,000. And again, we will divide by 25 over 25, giving us 25 over 40. These also share a common factor of 5, so we will divide by 5 over 5, giving us 5 over 8. 5/8 is a fractional component for inches, so we're happy with that. And we need to put together the fraction and the whole number to give us a final answer of 3 and 5 inches. And that's our final answer. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.